Hi. Oh, you dropped it.
It's a perfect car. 1994 Honda Accord. Same year I had in high school. It's manual, no problems, works perfect, super clean. It's in Costa Mesa. $2,300. $2,000 I take it from him. What?
Oh, what are you doing with your pizza? Are you putting it in there? Oh, you're gonna carry it around?
Like an egg basket.
Oh, you're gonna go get something out of your kitchen? Oh. You gonna put it in your refrigerator? Lola. Lola. Yeah, you gonna move it? Move it back where it goes. Hi. Hi. Lola, can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Lola. Hey. Hey.
No, come on.
Lola. Lola, come here. Come here. Hi. Can I have a kiss? Oh, what do you have in there? You love carrying little things around, don't you? She's totally content just carrying her pizza around in there. Oh. Good job. There you go. Oh, uh-oh. You want your pizza out of there too? You want Mommy to get it out for you? Oh man, I hope we can get it out of there. There you go. Lola, are you ready to go take a bath? Lola, are you ready to go take a bath? I want pizza, huh? Don't put it back in there. Oh, now it fell on the floor. Okay, you ready for bath? You ready for your bath? Uh-oh. Lola, where's your hair? Yeah. Lola, where's your ears? Where's your ears? Where are your ears? Where's your ears? Your ears. Yeah, that's your ears. Good job. Oh, what's that? Is that your mixer? Thank you. Thank you. Okay, say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Bye.